Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a home remedy using castor oil to help get rid of the dark spots off your legs. So recently I've added castor oil into my skincare regimen, and the reason I started using castor oil is because I ran out of my normal like shea butter, cocoa butter, and all I had left was castor oil. So I decided to look up the benefits of castor oil, if there was any benefits when it comes to dark spots, and I'm going to show you guys what I found during my search, which made me start using castor oil. Castor oil also helps in fading scars and pigmentation. It works by moisturizing and nourishing the skin that aids in regeneration of the skin cells and helps promote the growth of new skin, which helps to lighten the complexion and reduce the dark spots and pigmentation. Also, castor oil is crammed with fatty acid, especially omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are the magical ingredient that helps reduce pigmentation. They do this by piercing the skin tissue and plumping it out. The omega-3s, in addition to stimulating the growth of healthy tissue, also hydrates the skin, thus giving you clean and supple skin. So this is the castor oil that I'm using. It's by Heritage Store. I got this castor oil from TJ Maxx. It was only $10, and I really like this one. This is a cold press castor oil, and I feel like it's been really helping reduce the appearance of dark spots on my legs. So I'm going to show you guys how I decide to use the castor oil, but there is several ways that you can use the castor oil, and I'm about to tell you how. So one of the ways that you can use the castor oil is by using turmeric and castor oil and making a mask. You can also mix vitamin E and castor oil together, or you can also mix castor oil, honey, and lemon juice together, and those are different ways you can use it. So I'm going to show you guys how I use the castor oil that's been beneficial to me. So before I hop in the shower, I'm going to use this She Mermaid Sea Salt Scrub. And I also got this scrub from TJ Maxx as well. I decided to kind of switch it up and use a different scrub. So since this is a gentle scrub, I like to use it on dry skin versus wet skin because I feel like it's more effective that way. Then once I wash the scrub off, I like to go in with this Crusader soap. So I picked up this Crusader soap from my beauty supply store, and I like to use this soap because it helps to cleanse clogged pores that can lead to blemishes, body pimples, and body odors. So this kind of helps prevent dark spots from happening, like if you have any pimples, if you have any clogged pores or anything like that. And then what I like to do is I like to then after that I get out the shower, dry my skin, then I'll go in with my castor oil mixture, which is half castor oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. So now I'm going to show you guys what I exactly do in the shower.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, thank you guys for tuning into my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.